what it looks like out here. I've been down here probably 20 minutes, haven't heard anything else. So we're gonna go back to the van and finish listening to the game. Can y'all hear this? Can you hear this? Yeah, I do not know what that, I don't know what that was. So we've been sitting here for about 45 minutes, I don't know, 40 minutes. Rachel, I told her I'd been hearing something, except the wind is down. Have you heard anything? No, there's nothing out here. Maybe so.
From over there.
Yeah. Oh, it's not the first time something's come from over there. Not the first time. I'm gonna put the drone up again and show y'all what's over there. Yep. Yep. What are you hearing?
Something out here. I hear mosquitoes though.
Yeah. What was that?
He just got up.
What was that?
I hear a tree snap.
That is straight up coming from over this way. Yeah, we need a spotlight. Oh my God. No.
Nope. Here, move.
Excuse me. I'm not playing with that.
Yeah, I don't know. Like I keep on hearing something out there. Seriously.
Well, that howling is obviously something.
Yeah.
So I've been sitting here editing. Usually edit with my headphones in. This time I wasn't real involved in it, and I didn't have them in. And I swore for all the world, sounded like a little girl's voice coming from back over this way. You saw the drone footage. There's nothing back that way. Absolutely nothing. So I don't know. You know, honestly, I don't know now if we're starting to freak ourselves out at this place. I don't know. But, you know, we've heard coyotes howling. I don't care. Coyotes are fine. But between the roars we heard a while ago, I don't know what to do. I don't want to leave again. But hearing a little girl's voice out here is highly disconcerting. Highly disconcerting. I don't know. Rachel's laying down back there. Badger doesn't seem to be paying attention to anything. You okay, honey? You sure? Yeah. Yeah. She just, I don't think they can hear you on here. Yeah, she asked me if I a little girl's voice, and like I did. Yeah, it's weird. Very weird. I would almost rather hear a werewolf or something, or a dog man, or a mothman, or a goatfish. I don't know. I'd rather hear something like that than a little girl's voice out here in the middle of the night. Yeah, extremely creepy. So we're back in southern Oklahoma, and the trees and the green and the howls. We're at roughly the same place that we heard something howling before, where somebody tried to get in the van. We're sitting here just having a conversation, and something back over that way is howling.
Yeah.
There are no dogs that way. And it's not a dog barking. It's a loud howl.
Oh, that's Badger. Okay.
There's the howling again. There's that way. That way. There are no houses that way. There aren't dogs. Now I'm hearing one over here. Well, hope the mic is picking this up. This is a place where we've had a few sounds here. We've had a few weird experiences. That's why we keep coming back. Uh-huh. Yep.
Like over there somewhere?
That way.
Yeah.
That's one reason we keep coming out here. Because there's something going on. There is something happening out here. We don't know what. Like, this was going to be a nice, light van life video. All about food. Some creature. Creature. Apostrophe S. Creatures. S apostrophe. What?
There's something out there.
Yeah. I don't know.
No.
I don't know what's going on. I don't even know if I want to stay here. And ask her. I don't get afraid. I don't get scared. This place is it's already made us. Badger has been perked up before. I know. I keep hearing it.
It's very woodsy around here, so.
Oh yeah. I mean, you can hear it loud every now and then.
I think it's more than one.
Oh, there's more than one, because there's something back over that way, and then something, and it's. I don't know how far away they are. It is. I don't know what's making the sound, so I say they. Whatever's making the sound is coming from that way and that way.
Whatever it is. Yeah.
Good God, you hear that one? Nope. I don't really like this. Really don't. I literally don't even like walking back this way with my back to something. Go back and get in the van and sit there. Kind of keep a watch. Because this was creepy. That was creepy. Considering we've been out here all day and one vehicle went by. But, I mean, that was hours ago. There he is. Oh, baby. So I don't know what to make of this. I could have sworn back in the area where we heard the howls coming from before, it sounded like a little kid screaming. And that's disconcerting. You know, I wouldn't even know where to begin to go looking, or even if I should go looking for it. No. But it sounded for all the world like a 5 or 6 year old little kid screaming. And I didn't hear a word. It was just more like just a scream. No. It could have been a bobcat.
Yeah. But
it's from the same area we heard the howls before. Exactly the same direction. Yeah, that I do not like. No. I don't want something that sounds like a human in distress, especially a child.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do right now. Now I'm going to sit here and see if I hear it again. And now we've started hearing howls.
I've got my window all the way up.
Yeah. I haven't heard any more screams, but I've definitely been some howls. Roll your window down a little bit, just a little bit. Did you hear that one?
Yeah.
Look, I'm getting tired of this. Like, can we just have a night? Can we just... I don't know what it is about this spot.
Yeah.
What is it about this spot?
I don't know.
Now there's one back over here. Nope. Nope. We're out of here. Yeah, those were loud. I'm not doing that. No, those were way loud and way close. So we've been here this whole time. 4 days.
Yeah.
And yeah, I've heard some weird stuff and all that, but this last night, Udell went home. It was just Rachel, myself, and Mark. Mark. We had a fire out over here and just sitting there listening, looking at the stars and listening. We kept hearing like things being thrown at us, like acorns or whatever. And we tell you where they were thrown, like they weren't just falling out of the trees.
No.
So I got up just right now before we come to bed. I got up and walked down a little ways and stood there for a minute in the dark. And Mark said, "Hey, go down there to where that little road is. It's not really a road. It's just a area."
Yeah.
And I said, "Turn your light off." Turn the light on. I was looking in the darkness, like where we had heard things come flying out of.
Yeah.
And when I tell you, I heard maybe 10 or 15 feet from me, right in those where the woods start, and they're deep woods, I heard, ooh, ooh. But I can't do it the way the sound was. It's like how chimps go, whoa, 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 whoa,
yeah.
Or gorillas or whatever. That's what it sounded like. But
it scared him.
I don't get scared easy.
Yeah.
But you can ask her. I jetted back over there. I was like, no, I'm good. No, because I heard a real low guttural. Ooh, ooh.